Started the show, I'm looking back to months and months and months ago. We were sort of giving updates on COVID cases, and we didn't want to get to this sense where you all knew, okay, they're going to talk about it again and sort of get numb to the numbers, right? And so we've made a promise to you that when things get especially newsworthy and noteworthy, not that every single day and every single death isn't, but when there's an especially large spike, that we would bring it to you. And we have experienced that, unfortunately, in Dallas County. The news was reported that 40 people died of COVID-19 related complications yesterday. That was the number reported yesterday. Of course, we know there can be a couple-day lag, but I mean, normally a big day would be maybe 10, 11, 12 people. We've seen days of 20 people, but this was middle of the week, not on a Monday, so it's not the piling up of weekend numbers, but 40 cases. The total cases in Dallas County is at 222,000.
A total of 2,092 COVID-19 related deaths. But to see this record number in a 24-hour period during a time when we're trying to roll out the vaccine, and also during a time when more steps are being taken, even in the face of rising numbers, to begin to open the economy, you begin to see, again, all of those factors that come into play that can cause that curve to not flatten, but to rather begin to climb. And so that's what we're seeing here. Again, the number two that's important to watch is the hospitalization number. That's critical because that speaks to the number of frontline workers who they need to care for patients. It speaks to the number of ventilators and equipment they need in ICUs. As it stands right now, we're holding our own, so we'll watch that number very closely as well. But to Jenny's point, we thought this was important to remind ourselves, all of us, that this is not over yet.
And Texas, as a state, also yesterday had a record day. You guys, we're not doing any better. We're not. I don't know. Like, what are people doing? Are you all still? Is everybody still getting together? Is everybody just kind of over it and ignoring the rules? I just hope not, and I just hope that we can just impress upon everybody that we've got to really stay that course in terms of safety.
Yeah, that's right. Well, we want to talk about something else that it's interesting on this show.